Hi there, I'm Addie. In this video tutorial, I'm going to take you through the basics of ReadCloud's Content Manager. Our Content Manager gives you as teachers the power to curate your own content over and above the commercial curriculum by uploading to each of your virtual class clouds to better contextualise, enhance and supplement your students' learning experience. Resources can be in the form of a PDF, audio file, video file, image or web link. These resources will remain in your ReadCloud account year on year and are independent to the curriculum content. Open the Content Manager by selecting the Curate Your Own Content thumbnail at the end of any virtual class cloud, or by selecting the Add icon, which is located to the right of each of your class clouds. The layout of the Content Manager mimics that of your bookshelf. Change the display mode in the header to suit your taste by either wrapping content so each thumbnail is visible on your screen, or viewing content by scrolling along each class cloud. Use the filter icon in the top right corner to change what content is visible in the Content Manager. Use the search bar to filter content by hiding or showing clouds or tags by clicking the checkboxes. The number of resources in each cloud will appear next to the checkbox. Let's move ahead and hide the list of class clouds for now. You can also create and manage tags. Tags can be used to categorise and label your curated content. Let's create a tag by clicking on the plus icon, enter a name and click Create. Let's hide all other tag content for now and click the cross to exit the filter. Please refer to the video titled How to Upload Your Own Content, where we'll guide you through uploading content in greater detail. We hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. ReadCloud, the e-reading software used by leading schools across Australia.